Hey, what's going on, peeps? It's me, Lindsay, with LindsayMoore.com. And in this video, I want to talk about 7 ways that you can actually make money from YouTube, pretty much, right? So I think most people just think that we just, just make videos and we promote various different things, or we talk about our lives, or we do whatever else on YouTube. But you can definitely make a lot of money from YouTube, right? And that's why, especially even more as of recent, I have been really talking about, the power of YouTube and how a lot of people are actually sleeping on YouTube, because YouTube is a awesome place for you to actually get more exposure to you, your brand, your business. And then also, you pretty much can be a problem solver, and you can also earn a lot of money on YouTube. And I think so many people are getting so stuck on like Facebook. While Facebook is still a great place to, build a business, I definitely prefer YouTube way over like Facebook, because even with like YouTube, I can make these videos and they stay on YouTube for years on end or whatever else. So anytime somebody's looking up for a particular solution to a problem, then one of my videos may come up, right? As to where if you're on Facebook, most people aren't going to Facebook to really look for answers, right? People are really using Facebook to socialize or show their lives or whatever else. If you're looking for a solution to a problem, you come over to YouTube, right? And then we all know that if you want to be successful in any type of business and you want to make a lot of money in business, if you become a solution to somebody's problem, you can make a lot of money. So that's what I'm telling you. Get on YouTube. If you have not created a YouTube channel yet, get on YouTube and start creating content. So the first way you can actually earn money from YouTube is having an online store, right? So let's say you've been creating content for some time now, and now you have over a few thousand subscribers or something like that. Let's just say you have a little saying that you say all the time, right? So one person that I love to watch on YouTube is Infinite Waters, right? And he talks a lot of positivity, law of attraction, and things like that. And one of his terms is breathing in that good ass prana, baby. It's really crazy, but look him up. He is the bomb. I love listening to him every morning. But he took that term and he put it on some t-shirts, and now he has an online store where he sells t-shirts with his sayings on it, right? If you're into law of attraction and you like crystals and zodiac signs and all that stuff, then maybe you can create a online store where you're selling shirts with different zodiac signs on it, maybe jewelry that sells zodiac signs on it, whatever else, right? But that's definitely another way that you can actually earn income, right? If you have your own clothing line and you already have followers on YouTube, then why not create an e-commerce store and sell your own products through your e-commerce store? So that's one way that you can actually earn money from YouTube. And again, when you're doing these YouTube videos, you simply tell people in your videos to go visit your site, or you can put it in your end card, or you can put it in the description below the video and tell people to go visit your website, right? The second way you can do this is by blogging, right? So this is something that I actually started to do a few months ago, and it's another way that you can actually earn passive income, right? So if when I'm doing these videos, if I'm doing a review of a company, or I'm doing a how-to tutorial or something like that, or 7 ways to make money online, yes, I can have that video on YouTube, but why not take it a step further, and then I can put it onto my blog where I can actually give out more detailed information, maybe have maybe a step-by-step type of thing over there or whatever, right? I can have that information onto my blog, and on my blog I can actually promote different affiliate products onto my blog. Also, I can promote my own courses on there as well, right? So again, I can create content on my blog just like YouTube, right? I can create content on my blog, and years on end, somebody can probably look at my blog 5 years from now, get some value from it, and end up buying a course for something that I had talked about on my blog post 5 years ago, right? So that's how powerful my blog is. My blog is definitely a long-term asset, and there's a lot of people who are actually earning 6 figures per month just by blogging, right? And a great way for you to generate a lot of traffic to your blog is by doing YouTube videos, building up those views, creating content that people want to know about, content that people are already searching for, and that's going to help to drive more traffic to your blog. Okay. So the third thing you want to do is your own info courses and programs. So again, when you're creating content, you can either tell people to go to your website, go to your blog, or you can show testimonials of people who have gone through your info courses, or who have had success through your programs or whatever else. This is a good time for you to actually, if you've been putting a lot of value out there, then why not create your own digital course or something like that that's going to help people to go step by step so they can have, achieve similar results that you have inside of your business, right? So again, that's another way that you can earn money from YouTube, right? The next one is coaching and consulting. Again, similar to like your info courses or whatever else. It never fails. A lot of these videos that I do, especially like with Shopify or affiliate marketing or whatever else, whatever niche that you're in and you're having success with it, or you seem really knowledgeable about it, that people actually perceive you as an expert inside of that niche, you're definitely going to have people reaching out to you on YouTube, or maybe through your email if you provide your email through your YouTube, reaching out for one-to-one coaching, right? And why not do it? Like, some people don't want to do coaching or whatever else because it kind of interferes with what they're doing for their business, and that's totally understandable. But if you're open to, teaching somebody else what you have done to have success inside of your business, and they're reaching out to you, then definitely that's something that you can definitely take a part of and earn extra income from it as well. The next one is paid sponsorships. So this is something that I have been getting as of recent as well, where companies, they might have seen your content on YouTube or something like that, and they're interested in what, or they like how you present things or how you promote opportunities or whatever else, or they see you as an influencer, right? So now, I've been getting emails as of recent of different companies that want me to, promote or talk about their service that they provide, to the masses pretty much. And with paid sponsorships, you can either get paid by commissions, or you can get paid where they actually give you like a salary or something like that. Now, the ones that have been reaching out to me, they have been more like with commissions. I'm pretty sure as I continue to grow this channel and keep putting out content or whatever else, I may get a different type of sponsorship. But those are the type of sponsorships that I am getting right now. But definitely if you're like in health and fitness and things like that, you probably would be offered, sponsorships where you get paid a salary or whatever else, where they actually want to keep you on for like a year or two or whatever else to promote their products, to be like the face for their brand or whatever else. But again, that's another way that you can actually generate income, from YouTube. And then the next one, of course, is being a YouTube partner. So basically what that is when you're creating content on YouTube, you can actually monetize your videos. So what I mean by monetize your videos, so anytime you come to a YouTube video and you see like an ad pop up, like a 5-second ad that comes before the video, or you see like a little ad image at the bottom, that's basically you monetizing your channel and allowing Facebook to put ads onto your content. And by you doing that, as many views, I think it's how many views or clicks that people do on that ad, you actually earn income from it pretty much, right? So that's how you can earn money from YouTube as well. And then the last one, of course, is affiliate marketing. So again, with affiliate marketing, you'll do maybe a review of a company, an affiliate product, anything like that, right? You can do a video about Amazon or something like that, or Sephora or something, anything, any type of product that you like, that you consume, that you use for your business. If they have an affiliate program attached to it, then I highly recommend that you sign up for that affiliate program, create some content on YouTube, and tell people like, hey, if you want to get started with ClickFunnels, or you want to get started with lead pages, or you want to buy these mink lashes from Sephora, underneath this video, I'm going to put a link to, to this product, so that way you can actually sign up for this product or buy this product now, right? So that's another way that you can actually earn income from YouTube with affiliate marketing, okay? So those are 7 ways that you can actually earn income from YouTube, and those are 7 ways that I actually earn money from YouTube, and that's the reason why I'm sharing them with you, because that's how I become really profitable from using from YouTube, by creating a lot of content, doing reviews, doing a lot of that type of stuff, and I'm able to earn a lot of money on the back end from this content that I create, on my YouTube channel. So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below. Make sure you like this video. Also subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell if you want to get more updates when I do videos like this on YouTube. And again, guys, if you haven't already, start a YouTube channel. Start putting content out there. Start providing value out there. And trust me, if you start doing that, you will reap the rewards tenfold. I promise you, okay? But all you have to do is just start, guys, okay? And so to the next video.